Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account, enter your current Gmail ID and password to access security settings. Once signed in, go straight to the Google account circle or avatar, then click Manage your Google account. Make sure your recovery phone or email is verified because Google may prompt for verification. If you have two-step verification, have your second device ready. This prevents lockouts. Now navigate to the Security tab to find the password option and begin changing it. You will need to authenticate again before changing the password, enter your current password, or use the prompt on your phone. Once authenticated, click Change Password, then type a strong new password twice to confirm. Choose at least 12 characters with upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to resist brute force attacks. Make sure it is unique versus other accounts. If you use a password manager, save the new entry now so you don't have to memorize long, complex passwords. After saving the new password, sign out of other sessions if you suspect unauthorized access. This forces re-authentication everywhere. Update saved passwords on your phone, mail apps, and third-party services to prevent failed logins. Once done, check account security for recent activity and consider enabling two-step verification for extra protection. If you cannot sign in, use the recovery phone or email immediately and follow Google's account recovery prompts. If those
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.